St Pancras. Just got the train down from Broxbourne into London, taking the tube round to St Pancras and then going out to Loughborough. The sun's shining finally, and yeah, it's a new car day. I can't believe I got the train for £15, which is what it cost me to get into London from where I live, so to be able to get all the way up to Loughborough on that is really good. So you've seen from the thumbnail, I'm buying a Mondeo ST TDCi. It's been stood for about a year and a friend of mine's sold it to me cheap, and I'm just fingers crossed that it's going to get through an MOT, because I need to MOT it. It's only done about 600 miles since the last MOT, but I need to MOT it, then go and pick up some parts because it's got some damage on the front, and then drive it home. So we'll see how that goes, shall we? Typically when I want to record and it's really windy, hopefully you can hear me. So it was a little bit frantic when I picked the car up, and I didn't get any footage of that. There's a nice old metro there. Yeah, so I didn't get any footage when I picked the car up, but it was a little bit rushed because the train was a little bit delayed, and then I had to go and get some air in the tyres, get the car cleaned. It's a little bit rough on idle for the first few minutes. But I got to the MOT station and it's in for its MOT, so let's see what happens, and then hopefully I'll show you the car once it comes out, hopefully in the pass. So I'll go and wait for the car and see you in a bit. So I'm pretty much home now, and it's been a pretty good drive home. Done about 155 miles, and obviously that's the damage that's in the car, and you can see on the bumper there it's been bolted on. But actually really impressed with it. For £200, that's all this cost me. And £35 for the MOT, which some rust there as well, but I've got a new panel for that. £35 for the MOT and £60 for a battery. So basically the car owes me £300, although I did spend another £200 with a guy from the Mondeo ST Facebook group on 2 front wings and a bumper. But considering on eBay those parts were over £450 and they're in colour, that's quite impressive. So yeah, if you include those, then you're looking at £500 for a fully MOT'd Mondeo ST TDCi, and it's not bad inside. A few bits of wear, but overall it's really nice. So as I said, I've done nearly 160 miles in it today now, so nearly home. It's just been such a rush that I didn't manage to set the camera up earlier, so just a short drive now, but it actually goes really well, and you put your foot down, it picks up really nicely. Sorry about the clattering in the back, that's the body panels that I picked up. Overall, really impressed with it. I had a similar age Vectra a few years ago, 1.9 CDTi 150 SRI, so probably a pretty comparable car to this, and although the power delivery was better, this handles so much nicer than the Vectra. And taking in mind the Vectra had 80,000 miles on the clock, this has got 172,000. So yeah, I had one of these when they were new about 18 years ago, and it doesn't disappoint me being in it again. So that concludes this video. It's been a success. I was a little bit worried about getting the MOT done, but yeah, all sorted, and it all worked out in the end, and it got me home. So next stage is just to get a few bits done. The MOT, there was a few advisories, mostly around the fact that it's been stood for so long. So it needs a few little bits and pieces doing, but get those sorted out. And then going to see, do I replace the Jetta with that, or do I just sell it on? We'll see. See you later.